Hey guys, welcome back. And I am hoping to make this a quick video, but y'all know I can talk. Okay. I really just want to follow up with where we're at, not necessarily as a channel, but as a family, and just also encourage you guys as well. So, first thing I want to say is that, at least for my immediate household, we are safe. We are practicing social distancing. It has been difficult for the children. My youngest does not understand what's going on. He just got to school. This is his first year physically in school, and now he can't go, and he doesn't understand why. And that's been really challenging for him. My oldest is on the autism spectrum, and she's like, almost every day she tells me, I miss my school, I miss my friends, I miss my teachers. So today we got to do like a Zoom video conference call with the class. It's a small class. So she was really encouraged by that, and that's something that her teacher wants to do regularly, at least once a week. And also, I think the guidance counselors and speech therapy as well, they're trying to set that up where we're doing that once a week, so the kids can have that, even if it's virtual, but they can still have that interaction and some sense of normalcy. So that was really good for her. Big Papa can work from home, so I'm very grateful for that. Because it stresses me out. He has had to go into the office during this lockdown time, and I'm stressed out, guys. It stresses me out to know that he is out in the midst of all of that. But now he is working from home, period. And as a wife, that makes me happy that he is not out and about. I have been out for 2 errands. I think in the last 3.5 weeks, I think I've probably been out of my house 3 times in terms of errands. Maybe even twice. And I think it was mostly just to go grocery shopping. So twice I've gone shopping, and that's it. Like once at the beginning of this situation, the beginning of March, and then this week I had to make a run for a different reason, and I figured that while I was out, let me go try to swing by the grocery store, only if it's not packed, and it was only a few people there because I went kind of early in the morning. And I go out, I am covered, but it's kind of surreal that this is the situation that we're living in. So I do want to encourage you all. Again, I'm trying to keep it short. I want to encourage you all to have compassion and to have grace towards your fellow person, whether that person's in your home or it's your neighbor or a friend, 3 states away, whatever. You don't know how they are dealing with this time. They can put on a brave face, they can put on lipstick and earrings and be like, yeah, we're doing great. Yeah. But you don't know the emotional or psychological impact that this is having on them. So it's more than just the physical. It's more than just I'm not feeling well, I'm achy, I'm fatigued, I can't breathe. And so, check on them, but also have grace and compassion towards them. Because some people are just not going to say, I'm struggling. And you might have people who are dealing with domestic abuse. And so they might not be in a safe situation to say, I'm struggling. So I say that to say, guys, keep the world in your prayers, keep your neighbors, keep your friends, that person you see quite often, but you don't really know their name, but you've seen them and you smile and say hi, keep them all in your prayer. Everybody's handling this situation differently, and it's okay. We're not all going to have superhero capes on and be like, I just baked 20 loaves of bread and just sold 100 batches of face masks for my local homeless shelter. Well, if you did, great. Fantastic. fantastic. I'm sure they're grateful for it. But if you're not at a place emotionally or psychologically where you can sit and dedicate that time and dedicate that resources, guess what, guys? It's okay. You do what you have to do. We're all in this together. I'm sending love virtually through YouTube to you all. And so I just encourage you to make wise decisions. If you do have to go out, be covered. My nurse mother-in-law says not just the mouth and the nose, but the ears too. Cover your skin. The particles, if you do get them on you, they will linger for several days. So when you go out, if you have a garage or foyer vestibule, when you come back inside, strip down, take all that stuff off, everything. Wash everything in hot water that can be washed. What can't be washed, either leave out or Lysol down. Make wise choices. Limit the trips that you have to make outside, like in terms of running errands. Guys, and just love. That's what this world needs now. The scripture says that during the end times, the love for most will grow cold, and we're seeing that. And what we need is compassion towards people. What we need is love and grace towards people. If you can sacrifice time and effort to help, the person next to you, awesome. If you're not there yet, that's okay too. So I just wanted to share my not so quick words of encouragement with you. We are making it through here at sundiataSMITH. And please, for the love of all that is holy, do not dispose of your vinyl gloves on the streets, guys. Don't do stuff like that. It's ignorant and it's dangerous, guys. Okay, so let's make better choices. With all that being said, guys, I love you. Please stay safe. Please stay compassionate and understanding towards others who are not handling the situation the same way that you were handling it. We have, if you still need a mask tutorial, there are plenty in the YouTube. See, I am not making a tutorial. I did make masks for my immediate family. And I followed Missouri Star Quilting Company's tutorial on how to make a mask. So I will, all the people that I know that have tutorials that I follow for various things, I'll put their information at the end of this, guys. But other than that, be safe, be wise in your choices. Love you guys. And stay in the Word, stay faithful. Do not let anxiety overwhelm you. Stay in prayer. And we'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye.